In this video, I will show you how to knit seamless stripes in the round. Hi, this is Ari from Palmeri Arts and Crafts. Today, I would like to introduce a technique to reduce these gaps in between color change when you are knitting stripes in the round. When we knit in the round, we are basically knitting a spiral. So it is normal to see these gaps when switching from one color to the other. This gap is called a jog in knitting. There are many ways to reduce this jog, like this one. You can barely see the jog. I've tried a few methods before, and this is by far my most favorite and most used method. Let me show you how to knit jogless stripes in the round. First, we are going to join the yarn as normal. And then keep knitting all the way to the end. If you like this tutorial so far, please hit like. If you'd like to be notified of new tutorials and knitting podcast, don't forget to hit subscribe. Okay, so I got 2 more stitches left on this first round with a white yarn. This stitch tends to be loose just because it doesn't have anything to be secured. So you can pull the tail to tighten the stitch. Now we are going to transfer the stitch marker, and instead of knitting into this stitch, we'd like to knit into one stitch below, so the last round of orange stitch. To do that, we are going to insert the right needle tip from the back of this stitch, like this. So we are picking up the right leg of this previous stitch. Lift it up and put it on the left needle. And then we are going to knit these 2 stitches together. Just like this. That's all you need to do. And rest is just knit in the round, and next round you can just knit the stitch on the needle. Now let me fast forward and show you after I knit few more rows. I knitted few more rows so you can see the difference clearly. So here is I just switched. I didn't do anything. I switched the color, so it's obvious the black changed to white. And here it's also obvious white changed to orange. So it creates this gap, this jog. When we used that method, the previous color kind of lifted up by lifting the stitch and knit together with new color. So as you can see, it's pretty smooth. It's very hard to tell. So this is my favorite way to prevent the jog when I am knitting in the round with different colors. I hope you really liked this method. If you like different kind of method, please leave a comment below, so I will be able to learn, or other knitters are able to learn different techniques. Thank you for watching. Happy knitting. Bye bye.